The recent AWS outage makes the concept of a multi-cloud architecture, such as having both. Yeah, this is what I think they'll probably do. AWS and Azure, a great but expensive idea. Yeah, so you would have you. So one of the things probably organizations like Netflix. I mean, what I would do if I was a CIO would be to say, okay, look, maybe some of our most important things should be on not only AWS but also on Azure, the second biggest infrastructure in the world. It'll be in Azure. And then if we're in China, we'll also have not only on our private cloud in AWS, but we'll also have it on Alibaba's, so that way if something goes down there, we're good. We have two different, that would be super expensive, but maybe they could do something like that. But I don't think they'll move away from it. I mean, if people are saying stuff like that, then I don't know. I mean, I just don't see that happening. It's just when you see the magnitude and how large AWS is, like they don't really have a competitor. To be honest with you, the closest competitor is Microsoft, and I don't, and it's not even a close second. You know what I mean? So, I mean, I think Microsoft probably catch up with them, and there might be some other solutions that'll eventually get there. But right now, they own like 30% of the market share of all cloud, man.